Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Don't afraid. Sometimes we are afraid to pull because we lack ideas, or don't think we can get it out, or feel pressured to post the final result on social media. So, instead of being scared, dedicate this day to learning. Just as there is no pill that cures everything, there is no one way to help you fight the fear of drawing. Are you afraid you're not good enough? Maybe you're a perfectionist, yet you have not yet made a masterpiece of your life. So, try not to worry about it unless you want to leave the art. If you are afraid that your skills are not good yet, then do this. Draw 10 different things one after the other. Set a timer of 10 minutes for each. Do it every day. Every artist should get all their bad drawings out of the system to start a decent creation. Then, they need to get out of the system once and for all to start drawing good people. By repeating this process over and over again, you will soon get amazing art. There are always bad works of art. Okay, improve your art to start at basics. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.